Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on your videos via AI, or using AI. And I have 3 AIs for you to work with. I have CapCut, I have this second one called Abraya, third one called Captions AI. Basically, let's start with CapCut first, and this should be the landing page of CapCut. So I'm going to use the Windows version for this one, click on this one, and you'll see this application pop up. It's a third-party application on your device after clicking that button right there to download it. Now simply add a media. For example, write this one, sample audio 1, so it auto-played on myself. So I'm just gonna drag it to the timeline. Now as you heard earlier, this is just a sample video I got and I just voiceovered it myself to avoid any copyright. So that being said, I'm just gonna click on the section above. I'm gonna look for text. Click auto captions, and then you're gonna have an option to choose a language. Also, you have an option to clear current captions. This is for pre-videos. For example, a video already has captions. Simply click on it so CapCut will remove it. Pretty strong AI right there. So since I don't have a pre-captions over here, I'm gonna click it and simply click on create. Now this process will take only 30 seconds maximum, and as you can see right now, it's already done, and I'm gonna play it so you guys can hear it. Okay, sample audio 1 2 3, sample audio 3 2 1, 1 2 3, sample audio 3 2 1. Now that is pretty awesome. Personally, I'm really shocked how accurate CapCut is. Anyway, that is actually, personally, that's the process right there. To take it a little bit further, you can edit the fonts over here. On the left side, for example, you want to edit a specific word that CapCut did not got it correctly. You can edit right here. You can edit the font size, of course, the design, the color right there. Basically, the limit here would be your imagination. And then after editing, you can just click on export, save it to a folder or a destination file of your choosing. So that's CapCut, that's step 1, or that's the process number 1. Now let's go back over here and go to the second website. It's a gimbal Abraya. Basically, it's a website. You don't have a third-party application. With this one, click on login, or rather click on tools first, because I want to take you one step at a time. Click on transcribe videos, and then click on auto transcribe. Now it will take only for a few seconds here. You can also log in with Google. Click on that one. I'm gonna choose my dummy Google account. Now wait for it to load up, and you have 200 free credits up to 4 videos, 50 images, or 6-minute auto subtitles. Click and get started. Upload the video right here. I'm gonna use the video I got from earlier. Let me just check where it is. There you go. So it's still uploading for, I think this will take only 10 seconds maximum, and it's here. That being said, with this one, simply choose the caption subtitles over here and click on auto subtitle. Now this will take around 30 minutes to a minute, or 30 seconds to a minute, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So hello there, Abraya.me or Abraya just finished transcribing my audio, and as you can see right there, it's already done. Let's try and play it. Sample audio 1 2 3, sample audio 3 2 1, and as you can see right there, it's almost precise. Not the same as CapCut though. Personally, I love CapCut more. Anyway, if you're done with this one, simply click on export and then choose the path file you want to save it. Now let's move on to the last website called Captions AI. It's pretty straightforward, link right here, captions.ai. Now with this one, simply click the products and click on Add Subtitles. And then you'll be directed on this platform. You can just simply upload your files and then choose a file for your choosing. For example, I'm just gonna use the one I got earlier. Just one video all throughout for comparison purposes. Again, I'm still leaning on CapCut. I'm still loving that one earlier. So select a language, add captions, and basically wait for it to finish. Now this will take around 30 seconds to a minute, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So hello there, welcome back. Captions AI just finished it in around 20 seconds or 15 seconds. Anyway, let's try it out. Sample audio 1 2 3, sample audio 3, 2, 1. And as you can see right there, I did not log in, I did not ask for any login or credentials or Gmail. It transcribed my video all throughout. But the thing right here is, you can also edit it for default or serious, but that's the thing. Only two options. You can edit it specifically, the font size, the color, sample audio 1, 2, 3. And as you can see right there, it's perfectly aligned, it's perfectly precise. The only downfall is you cannot edit the font, the size, the color, and that is not a go, or that's a no-go for me. So personally, just a comparison, I'm going to go with CapCut with this one. Anyway, simply click on download the video if you're satisfied with this one, and you're good to go. That's how you add titles, or rather, subtitles to your video using AI. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.